Alright, now it's time for the eggs. Alright, good morning. This is David from Griddle. It's Saturday morning, getting ready to cook up some breakfast. I have the Sam's Club griddle here, the Members Mark 36-inch, but I am using our hard lid cover for the Blackstone, and it does fit. It's just a little bit wide, as you can see the movement, but it still works great, and it hangs right off the back. So, alright, we're gonna go ahead and get started cooking some breakfast. Alright, as you can see here, we have some potatoes, some eggs, and some bacon. So I prepped it all inside, and the griddle's all warmed up, so now we're gonna throw it on. As soon as we fired up the camera here, my neighbor decides to do some yard work, so don't mind the background noise. Alright, I'm gonna start with the potatoes first. Alright. Yeah, so again, that's our hardcover lid. This one is for the Blackstone griddle, but I have it on my Sam's Club Members Mark griddle right now, and it works just fine. I only have these left 3 burners on, and they're on medium to low, and I keep this right burner off just if I need to keep it for warming and stuff. Yeah, our hard covers are made in the USA. They ship from our warehouse in Arizona, and we do accept returns. And if you guys receive like a damaged box from shipping and it damaged the lid, just contact us and we'll send you a brand new one. These are available at griddleguard.com, and they're also available on Amazon. So yeah, I'll put a link in the description of the video to where you can get the diamond plate lid. Unlike other lids, ours comes with a wooden handle. Other lids have metal handles, which will get really hot, so that's one thing ours has. Ours is wood, so you can grab it. It's not hot at all. And as you can see, our lid has extra wide hooks, so it's really stable on the back of the griddle, and it's not flimsy. Alright, now it's time for the eggs. Alright, well I think that's it. Just made a quick little breakfast. Wanted to film a quick video for you guys to show you the hardcover lid does fit on the Sam's Club griddle. It's just a little bit big, but it still works just fine. So I use my hardcover lid and I put the soft cover over it. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this scraped off and enjoy. So thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.